morning, everybody. We are in our swimsuits and we are about to head to the beach. I have my GoPro, so I'll try to get a lot of cool footage.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
We're all dressed up again, and we're going to eat.
These are my party Tuscaloosa boots.
Okay, outfit.
What a time.
Here we go. Hotel. Ansley. Landon. It was absolutely fried.
I'm a lobster. Call me Larry.
Larry the lobster. We don't know where we're going to eat,
As always.
but oh my gosh, look, it's fogging up. Are y'all? Oh my gosh, it's fogging up. Look at the sunset. Oh, we're going to this place called Cotton's. If you've ever
Makes me laugh so much.
they're making fun of my vlogging. If you've ever been there, comment down below, because when I come back, I'll know what to get, because I've never been here before. And I like reading y'all's recommendations, so make sure to comment below.
Like and subscribe, you know?
Also, like and subscribe. Thank you, Landon.
Make sure to turn on your notifications.
Post notification bell.
Words. We are here.
Yummy.
Y'all, it looks like there's a big wave.
Please look at this truck.
Wait, what? One of your vloggers is gonna be their truck.
It is literally on the ground. They're both taking pictures of it. We out here taking some pictures.
Alright, you know.
Oh, maybe if I close my legs like a girl.
We made it inside.
Oh,
It's really dark in here.
It's
Y'all,
like shark
I got
legs
some crab
stand out.
claws, a baked potato. She got some chicken. What did scallops?
Scallops.
We got some crab cakes.
Crab cake,
Yeah, we don't know what that is.
grits, and scallops. Yum. Okay, this is the end of day 2. We'll check in tomorrow morning.
We sure will.
Good morning, everybody. We're on the beach. We're just chilling, you know. Me and Ansley are out here.
Yeah.
Everybody's out, or 2 other people are taking tests in the room, and 1 person got burnt yesterday, so they're standing there. And we're just, you know, chilling.
Chilling, getting tan.
Get tan. My face is in the shade under this umbrella, which is good. So, I'll see y'all when we do something tonight, I guess. It's now almost time for dinner. Ansley's ready. She's wearing a dress.
I'm tired.
She's tired. Mary Winton is wearing this adorable crop top, maybe?
Kind of.
My earrings.
Thanks.
So cute. Some shorts.
Let's get your outfit. You're looking
some
good.
shoes.
You're looking good. Okay.
And y'all, I got this outfit for $10.
Look at this. Move your hair so you can see, like.
Ready?
Look, let's get the whole pan down. Okay.
You know, do
$10.
the circle. $10, people.
40% off.
Look
We
for
love
those
it.
sales before you buy stuff.
Yes.
Check in at dinner.
Woo.
Peace. It's an hour wait. Nobody has time for that.
Nah,
We hungry.
I'm starving.
Starving.
Jeez.
So we'll be waiting here an hour. I gotta stop so I don't get copyrighted. This is the menu for Mikey's at Gulf Shores. So you can pause it and look for what you want.
You know, shrimp is like
So many options, you know? Now here's the middle page. I'm pretty sure y'all can read all that. Okay, is there back?
This is for our cocktails, virgin only, you know. No underage drinking here.
We were at Dollar General. I went to look for a t-shirt. Yep. They're all in front of us. Shirt for $4. We're going crab hunting.
Wait, I thought I was like,
We know now. We just got our flashlights and our bodies. No shoes.
no shirt, no shoes, no service.
Problem. No, that's
Alright, it's fine. We'll try it again. Ready? No shirt, no shoes, no problem.
I was scared which one you were gonna say.
No.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 4, and we're actually about to come home. A tropical storm or something's coming, and it's gonna be raining the whole time. So there's really no point just to stay here and stay in a room. So I hope you'll enjoy this video as the camera's fogging up. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see everybody in my next video. Bye.